just a few days before my birthday, we made a quick trip to Singapore. We were living in Bali at the time and planned to celebrate my birthday there, but first we flew to Singapore for a short 3-day getaway. The idea was simple: relax, explore a new country we had never been to, and pick out a birthday gift for me. We walked a lot, explored different neighborhoods, tried amazing food, and one place really stuck with me. They were selling these incredible Hong Kong style waffles. I've been craving them since the first day, and they were so worth the wait. On our last day, we went to Universal Studios. I'm honestly obsessed with roller coasters and thrill rides, so this was the highlight for me.
We're already around 2 hours in this park, and lines are getting huge. That's why we just took express thingy. It kind of quite expensive, but it definitely worth it. Sorry? Okay. What? The guys just took picture of me because they thought I'm cool because I'm with a camera. But guys, I mean, I love you, my 5 followers, but like, you know, still, you're only 5. But fine, that's great, that's cool. You know, fake it till you make it. To be honest, the park is not that big. It's not bigger than Dubai one. Okay, this is such a power move now. We finally can go express. This is the red one and the black one right there. Black one is way better, recommend. This one is like okay. And now we're gonna go try the Mummy thing. Also looks pretty nice. You always have to put everything in the locker. They work only for 45 minutes and we were late for like 2 minutes. And since we locked all our things here because you can't go there with a phone or like anything like that, wouldn't be able even to open the locker because you have to pay. And I have my card, only my phone. We just met my boyfriend and Pia's boyfriend as well because they were getting me my birthday present. And I'm very happy and excited. I'm gonna show you the unpacking later when I'm gonna get the box and everything. We still have to go to the place and like adjust it, but it looks so beautiful. I don't know, I guess this is like I definitely recommend you to take the fast track from the start because this is just impossible to stay like 60-80 minutes in a row. Look at the size of this pizza, so maybe it's actually worth it. I got a new thing on my head. We just went all the way to the far away. We also got the very cute Shrek waffles. Now we're just gonna go once again to the attractions we like. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. I think in real life it looks even better. It's already 8 p.m. That was a great day. Almost everything is closed at this park, so we're gonna head back home. That was wonderful.
I just came to resize them. Thank you. Oh yeah, this is way better. Okay, that's great.
The most important mission for today was to resize my Rolex that I got today as a gift for my birthday. And look how beautiful that looks. It's perfectly sized now. This street looks very beautiful, and how taxi driver told us it's like all restaurants and cafe on this street. It's all like barbecue Korean thing and like Japanese food as well. It's actually 2 minutes from our hotel, which is very convenient, and taxi driver was so cute because he told us so many tips, but unfortunately we're leaving tomorrow at like 6 a.m. But today we're going to the place where our friends already been. It's Korean barbecue as well, and I hope it's good. This is the name. This is what they have. Okay, let's go check it out. That's so much food.
You cook everything yourself at the table. The food was honestly amazing, and it was the perfect end to those 3 really special days.